Once upon a time, there's a little otter named Bernard. Best of all, he loved sleeping. But Mad Otter said, "Stop snoring! Snore somewhere else!" He tried sleeping in the lake, but that didn't work. The alligator said, "Sleep somewhere else, Bernardo!" He tried sleeping in a bird bath, but that didn't work. He scared away a bird. Is there a page there? Is there a page here?
No.
And the giraffe said, "Snore somewhere else, Bernardo!" He tried sleeping in a puddle, but that didn't work. Snore somewhere else. And the elephant said, "Sleep somewhere else, Bernardo." Hard luck, Bernardo is sleeping. I'm doing good on it, am I? He found a nice tucked up place and snore, snore, snore. The others shouted, "Bernardo, Bernardo, Bernardo," but they didn't see. Once the bats came back in the cave, and the what was it again? Bernardo said, the bat said, "You can't sleep here." He came back. Bernardo was so sad. He got to the zoo gate and he heard something. Oops. "There you are, Bernardo!" They all shouted. He slept and slept and slept. The end.